You know, the biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. We live in this amazing world full of beauty, life, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures that we can have, if only we could seek them with our eyes open. There's so much out there in the world to experience, but yet, many of us never do. We begin to realize towards the end of our lives that just living the length of it means nothing compared to being swallowed by the world. Yeah, you can hear things, look through magazines, watch TV, and see the world from a distance. But actually being able to be there is a whole different type of feeling. It's like being hit with a breath of fresh air, like the whole world stops. And when it stops, it looks back at you, and everything just seems to be in slow motion. You're able to look around in this reflection phase and notice that you're not only able to see, but to touch, taste, and feel, all at the same time. It's funny when you stop and you think about all the things you can actually do in the world. So don't be afraid to climb to the top, not so that the world can see you, but so you can see the world.